Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. That's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video Sunday afternoon, for example, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big thing that's occurred, and that I'm curious to see if it'll continue over the weekend, is how the price has been reacting with that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And you can see that the price has literally just been, if you were to picture this as a wave and then the price as, a surfer, this surfer has been doing a great job of just surfing right above that wave. So like I said, the question I have going forward is, can this price continue? Now, or can this, I should say, price movement continue? So I'm a little jealous of those of you that do get to watch this Sunday afternoon, because you're gonna have a much better idea. You'll have more data at that point. So that's really the first question to ask yourself is, where is the price at relative to that 50-period moving average? Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still above it, that's fantastic. That's a very good sign to just show that, overall the chart remains strong. But if the price is still above that 50 period, the next logical question becomes, okay, well, where is the price at relative to 10,000, which is that key level of resistance right there? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 10,000, well, at that point, that would just be telling you it's a very, very bullish week where not only has the price continued to work its way upwards, but it's got enough power to then get up above that level. What I would consider a massively powerful, massively healthy week is if somehow you're answering the question, well, Clay, yeah, the price is above 10,000, but it's also up above 10,400 up there. If that's the case, then again, from that angle, that would just be implying it's been a very, very strong weekend and the bulls are in full control. Now, the flip side of things may be saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below that purple line there. At that point, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, but you would at that moment in time want to then go down to that green line and just ask yourself the question, okay, well, is the price at least above 9,300? And as long as you're answering the price or the question that the price is up above 9,300, then from that point of view, the bulls are in full health. The overall chart is still perfectly fine. So that's going to be the level that you're going to want to watch overall. Now, if the price is down below 9,300 at that point, gut instincts, common sense will take you far, meaning the further down below 9,300 the price might be, that's just the more bearish the weekend has actually become. So nothing fancy there, just the further below 9,300, the more bearish, and pretty much the worse the chart is beginning to look. But as of right now, it's doing a great job surfing up above that 50-period moving average. So let's see if the price can continue to do that all weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.